What's your name? What's your name?
Just call me Mr. Mao.
Mr.
Mr. Mao.
Mr. Mao.
That's my last name.
Oh.
My first name is Kure.
Kure.
Yeah. It's Kure. My last name is Mao. Kure. Hello.
Hello po. Good afternoon po.
Hello.
800m 앞에서 우측 출구로 나가세요. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
We're going to here? SM?
Yes po. Yes.
그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다.
Korean?
예, Korean.
Okay.
Just follow it.
Yes po.
학생이에요? You student?
Sorry?
Student?
Yes. Yeah.
Where study?
UST.
UST?
University of Santo Tomas.
A lot of passenger there, UST.
Yeah, UST is so big.
Yeah, big.
One of the prestigious schools.
College?
No. High school.
High school.
Senior high.
Senior high school.
Senior high school.
좌회전입니다.
Yeah, first time encounter Korean driver? First time?
Yeah.
You first time?
Yeah.
Yeah. You do singing?
I don't know.
No?
No.
I have a free karaoke here. Here.
We don't have talent.
You don't have talent to sing?
No.
No?
Talentless.
The songbook is there. Oh, look. Oh, yeah.
Free karaoke.
Yeah, I have a free karaoke
Oh,
here.
that's nice.
For entertainment.
Ito pala.
Yeah, this is songbook.
Hey, sound system.
Oh, this could go trending.
Yeah.
It's very good sound system.
It's a nice sound system.
Yeah, you try. You want to try?
I don't have.
See, I know Filipino love to sing,
Yeah, Filipinos love singing.
and I know you have a P-pop. You have a P-pop, right?
Yeah,
And we have a K-pop.
We love K-pop.
Yeah, you love K-pop. Yeah, this is a like.
We love 17 and BTS. Seriously po na, may natuto song. Alam mo, stop singing na lang. Wait for the chorus.
That should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. Getting your kiss. That should be me. Do you believe? That should be me.
Pwede ka na sa ibang bansa. Singer. Do you know tawag ng pangalan?
No.
No?
Why?
It's a singing competition. Yeah,
Here?
Yes.
Oh.
Do you love singing? Do you love singing?
Yeah, I like to sing. Only girls.
Yeah, only that.
It's okay. Yeah, go.
That should be me
Yeah.
holding your hand. That should be me
Yeah.
making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me feeling your kiss. It's so wrong. I can't go on. Do you believe? That should be me.
chorus, you know.
Yeah, only the chorus.
But it's okay. 괜찮아.
Do you know Beanie?
Yeah, I know Vinny. Yeah. I have a friend Vinny.
Huh?
I have friend Vinny.
You're friends with Beanie?
Yeah.
Who?
Vinny.
Beanie?
Vinny Saya. Yeah, that's a joke.
Si Beanie Aya.
But my problem here is kunti Tagalog, kunti.
Oh, it's as long as you know English, you're good to go.
Yeah. But of course, I want to learn
The
Tagalog. Yeah.
Filipino.
Yeah, salamat po.
Yeah.
Kumusta po? Yeah. We're near.
Oh, we're here. Yes.
I think we're near, but yeah. 그런데 이름이에요. What is your name?
I am Lay.
You Lay?
Yes.
Yeah. Kina
And Steph.
Steph. Yeah. 반갑습니다.
Banggapsumida.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name?
Just call me Mr. Mao. Mr. Mao.
Mr. Mao.
That's my last name.
Oh.
My first name is Kore.
Correct.
Yeah. It's Kore. My last name is Mao. Kore. Kore.
Mao? Kore Mao?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a unique name.
Yeah, unique name.
Here's the mic.
Yeah. And where it's in the other side or here?
There, just
Other side?
yeah, just in
I think-
front of that door.
There.
Yeah,
Oh,
in
yeah.
front of the lights.
Wait. Dito lang sa gilid. Dito lang sa gilid.
Kuya!
Ito na lang, no?
Sabi na sa TikTok. Kuya, di sila marunong kumanta. Nag-chat talentless na kami dito, kuya.
Okay naman yung performance, ha?
Sabi ni...
Kakachat ko lang po sa kanila, kuya, yung TikTok.
Nag-chat siya, kuya.
Ay,
Steve,
ganon?
ito ata yung sa TikTok.
So, ito nga.
Opo, nice to meet you,
Yeah, nice to meet you. Okay lang, konti tayo doon.
Opo.
Ikaw muna tayo.
Ang galing mo, kuya, pwede kayo sa mag-artista. Ano yun? Yung may tawag doon
kuha niya yung accent.
Ay,
Di
ganon?
ba
Ay,
meron
thank you,
dating
ha?
yung parang ini-imitate? Ano yun? Yung
Hindi ko alam sis.
yung sa ABS ba yun?
It's a
Prank.
prank. So, ibig sabihin pala, napanood nyo na yung mga videos ko sa TikTok.
Yung
Opo,
mga
kuya,
kaibigan.
sikat po kayo.
Ay, ganon? Hindi naman masyado.
Famous kayo, kuya.
Pero bakit na-prank pa rin?
Kanina po, pero
kami.
kasi nagkakaraoke po kayo, kaya akala ko po talaga.
Sabi
Actually, naka-video tayo. Ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media accounts?
okay lang.
Okay lang?
Shoutout
sa Katon!
US teammates ko to.
Yeah.
Shoutout, Shoutout, ma. Lizelle.
So, nakakas kayo, no?
Opo, cash po.
At dahil dyan, it's a free ride.
Hala! Huwag na po nakakaya.
Oo nga, ganun talaga pag...
Huwag na, kuya!
Hindi, okay lang kasi kahit papaano kumikita naman ako sa pagbablog. So, okay lang yun.
Okay lang, kuya.
Kuya,
Oh,
okay
it's
lang
a
po
free
talaga sa
ride.
amin.
Yes, no problem.
Pala yun.
Sure po ba kayo?
Kuya,
Yes,
okay lang po talaga
very,
sa
very
amin.
sure.
Hello.
It's a free ride.
Thank you po, kuya.
You're welcome po.
Ingat po kayo.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.
Sa'yo.
Bye po. Thank you so much.
Abangan nyo lang yung vlogs natin, ha?
Hintayin po namin yung famous video. Thank you so much po talaga.
Bye-bye.
Ingat po kayo.
Yung. Very good. Very good. UST na naman tayo, guys. Yan mga favorite favorite student. UST student.